So I'm here at WQA Aquatech with Franco Savoni from Elkay. So can you tell us about your latest models?
What we've really started promoting and developing a lot of products around is refillable bottles. So as we see more and more individuals are carrying reusable bottles, trying to get away from the disposable bottles, we've basically had the core product with our drinking fountains. Now by adding a bottle filling unit on top of it, users can reuse their bottles and not have to throw them into landfills.
Yeah. Is the environmental side of things becoming more important, do you think?
It's always been a large factor for us, being the largest user of stainless steel or stainless steel sinks, stainless steel being a recyclable product material. So we've always had that green, sustainable initiatives in our product development. However, now as we start to see more and more the end users are really focusing on the sustainability initiatives, we start to see more and more of a play with that.
So where do you see the new model being popular geographically?
Well, it's definitely done well here in the United States as well Canada, but we're really starting to see, even through this show, a lot of interest internationally. We've had distributors in Australia, Latin America that are really looking to it. We have units installed throughout Mexico as well, a lot of fitness centers, things like that. So we're definitely reaching out into a lot of different areas geographically because that same message seems to be moving globally as we start looking at sustainability.
Yeah. Which of your other models are still proving popular then in these markets?
We've always had our base water drinking fountains that are always popular. We do a lot in Mexico, Latin America, the Middle East with our drinking fountains. And primarily it's just the robustness, quality of the design that the customers know that they won't have to deal with a lot of issues with the product. So a lot of that is primarily around that drinking fountain business.
And are there particular sectors which are proving popular for you?
Yeah, as we come out with the bottle filling stations, the biggest segment for us has been the education segment. As we know, more and more university students are driving a lot of the sustainability green initiatives on their own campuses. They're actually being the decision makers on installing these units and banning, in some instances, the sale of disposable bottles on campus. So definitely education. We also have a good market within healthcare. And a lot of the commercial buildings here in the United States, anything from a convention center to hotel lobbies, things like that. So we definitely fall into a lot of different categories.
And I know you've done a lot of work in the past with disability access to coolers. So is that still a big part of your portfolio?
Because of the American Disabilities Act, all of our coolers need to meet certain requirements, whether they meet from a disabled wheelchair or even from the visually impaired as well. So there's certain requirements that are laid out by the American Disabilities Act, and many of our units, we've changed the designs over the years to make sure that we meet those requirements.
Okay, that's excellent. It was nice to speak to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks for downloading this FoodBev.com podcast. You can also follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Tumblr, Twitter, Vimeo, Google+, and LinkedIn.